15 million people suffer from stroke in the world. Stroke patients often complain they have memory and thinking problems, or worry about if their blood vessels in the brain are not as good as before. They are so eager to know if there is any chance or any cure they can recover as time goes by. We provide lots of treatments for stroke patients in the clinic, but is there any easy and cheap way to save the brain? In my study, I focus on a special treatment that is free, the sleep. Every day we sleep. Good sleep provides extra benefits to the brain health of stroke patients. That's my research question. Firstly, what happens to the brain vessels in stroke patients? To understand that, I gave patients a sleep watch to monitor their sleep right after stroke onset. Then I checked their brain MRI scans. It's like taking photos for the brain from different angles and looking for a special condition called cerebral small vessel disease burden. Surprisingly, patients with good sleep have a lower cerebral small vessel disease burden. You can see in the scan the bright dots representing pathological changes, only a few. On the contrary, patients who have sleep disturbance, including stay in bed too long or keep waking in the midnight, showing a higher cerebral small vessel disease burden with tremendous bright dots in the scan. What about the benefits of sleep in the long run? At 1 year, I constantly measure the patient's cognitive function and check if they have sleep apnea by using a medical device called home sleep apnea test. You may have heard someone who's snoring very loudly or even stop breathing during sleep. That's the typical signs of sleep apnea. With good sleep, stroke patients have improved cognition after 1 year. A refreshed brain comes back. However, around 17% of stroke patients are unaware they have sleep apnea. These patients with moderate to severe sleep apnea even suffered from cognitive decline over 1 year. So, if you know someone who had a stroke, tell them to take a deep breath, have a nice sleep, and enjoy a healthy brain.